My name is Afseen, and I'm gonna be a junior at Lake Travis High School. I've taken various programming and engineering related classes throughout my middle school and high school years. This summer, I'm doing an internship at Choicest Fruits, and I think this program was really beneficial in learning how to collaborate with my peers on coding rather than like in school. I was making websites just for a grade and trying to impress my teacher, but here I was able to make something new for me and collaborate with others. In the future, I want to make something that can help people and improve the world in a way. Thank you. My study app is an app where students or anyone that struggles to focus can be able to like focus, and you can add goals, so like goal one or goal one, and then you can also delete goals and then recover them if you accidentally delete them. You can check off goals. And your dashboard like shows the percentage of goals that you completed. You can write notes, and then it saves in the local storage. You can make flashcards. So like this is the front, back, and then the front one, and you can practice them. And then there's a timer. You can set how long you want to study for or focus, and then how long you want a break. There's also a calendar, so you can add like a task on like the 10th homework, and then you can add the calendar and it's over here. There's also mini games, so while they're on break, they can like play games. There's progress to how many sessions, and you can also change the theme of the website into dark. Thank you.